Hey everybody, what's going on? Oh, you're probably wondering what this is. This is a relay, 12 volt relay switch, which I need to come up with a switch for. That goes to that, which is an air compressor. And I need to hook that to my power chair sitting over there so I can install these. Now you're thinking to yourself, Jay, are those horns? Yes, they are. They are train horns. And they're going on that chair. Yeah, I'm going to be heard. Oh, I'm gonna love this one. Okay, got the pump mounted, and I got that mounted on the head backrest thing. Got the solenoid mounted. Come on, focus. No, it's not going to focus on that. There we go. And I got it wired up, and these two switches here. Those connect to a, are going to connect to like a push button switch. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and do a test. Oh yeah, that works. That works. That works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh, I feel sorry for the. Oh, oh yeah. This is gonna be fun.